Hi, I'm Betsy of Betsy's Best, and welcome to my home. We continue the 12 days of Christmas, and I know by now you're probably in the holiday spirit. So why not enjoy a healthy holiday spirit while we prepare the chocolate peppermint martini? So let's get started. So you're probably wondering how I'm going to make a chocolate martini healthy. The average martini has about 400 calories, where this version has 80 calories. So you can still enjoy a healthy spirit during the holidays. The first thing we're going to do is make the base, which is the chocolate almond milk. This is using my gourmet almond butter. It's very easy to make. All you need is 1 cup of water to 1 tablespoon of the almond butter. Now you can do this for just regular almond milk if you're going to use almond milk during breakfast time, but we're going to make this version for this chocolate martini. So it's 1 tablespoon of almond butter. We're going to add a little bit of a chocolate flavored stevia. This is just to sweeten a little bit so it tastes kind of more like a chocolate milk. We're then going to add a pinch of sea salt, and this is just to kind of bring out a little bit of the flavor in the almond milk. We don't need a whole lot, just a pinch. And then you're going to add some cocoa powder to this. So we're going to add about a spoonful of cocoa powder into the almond mix. And that's it. That's all you have to do to make almond milk. Then you put it in the blender, and you're going to blend it up. Instant almond milk. This is actually chocolate almond milk, so it's simply delicious on its own and even better mixed into a martini. So next we're going to put ice into our little martini shaker. And I happen to choose this vodka. It's called Lean. It's actually out of St. Petersburg, Florida. It only has, I believe, 76 calories for 1.5 ounce. So that's why the calorie level is so low in this cocktail. But if you don't have this, you can use any other sort of vodka. The calories might be slightly higher, but not by that much because vodka itself doesn't have a lot of sugar. So we're going to add 1.5 ounce of a plain vodka. Try not to get the flavored vodkas, those typically will have some sugar to them. My secret low-calorie ingredient in here, peppermint tea. This is what's going to give it the peppermint flavor without any calories. A lot of the peppermint type of alcohols and liqueurs have a lot of calories. So we're going to add 1.5 ounce of a peppermint tea. And then the rest is the chocolate almond milk. This is what's going to make it nice, creamy, and that same consistency that you would find in like a Bailey's Irish cream, which has around 100 calories for the same amount. This is 3 calories, so big difference there. So we just add that in and we shake. So to prepare your glass, what you're going to do is you're going to rim it with a little bit of honey, or you could even put lemon juice around the end and have a plate of crushed peppermint. And then you're just going to top your glass into the peppermint as a coating. And this is more just for garnish. You don't necessarily have to do this. You could put a little candy cane on the side and still get the cute effect. And then that's it. A nice, healthy, 80-calorie chocolate peppermint martini. You can also make this non-alcoholic and do a mock martini by just avoiding the alcohol and adding a little bit more chocolate almond milk. So from my kitchen to yours, have a happy and healthy holiday.